Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring some incredible useful Windows run tools and commands that can help you navigate your system more efficiently. So let's dive right in. To access these tools and commands, we'll be using the run dialog, which can be opened by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard like this, or better still, you could go here to this search bar here and type run, and it comes up and you click enter. Now let's get started with our first command. The first tool we explore is ms-settings taskbar. With this command, you can quickly access the taskbar settings, allowing you to customize which system icons are displayed on the taskbar for ease of access. Click on OK. So we are here. I'll scroll down. Under notification area, you can hide and unhide these icons on the taskbar. These icons here. So to hide or unhide, you just click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. If you click on this, here we have all these icons. If let's say, for example, I want to turn off network, I'll just click on this here. As you can see, network is no longer on my taskbar. If I want to turn off power, we have power. This is it. If I want to turn it off, I just click here. To bring it back on, I click here again, it comes on. Next up, we have MSConfig. This powerful command opens a system configuration utility, which lets you manage startup programs, services, and boot options, helping you to optimize a system's performance. So click on OK. So here we have startup selection, normal startup, which is selected by default. So if we go to startup and click on open task manager, if we click here are all the startup programs. If you want to end a particular or terminate a particular startup program, we just select a program and click on disable. So these are programs that comes up when your system reboots or boots. So if we go to the other options here, close this, minimize this, we go to tools. We have all these tools here. If, for example, you want to open command prompt, you just select command prompt and click on launch, and it opens command prompt. If you are looking for a convenient way to set up default programs for various file types, then computer defaults is the command for you. It opens the default app settings, allowing you to define the default applications for specific file extensions. So click on OK. Okay, so it opens this. If let's say, for example, I want to set my default, currently my default music player is measure player. If I want to change it, I'll just click here. So I can change to VLC by choosing VLC. Okay, so it's been changed to VLC. Now let's talk about system restoration. The command restrui.exe opens the system restore point dialog, enabling you to revert your system back to a previous state and undo any recent changes or fix issues. Just click on OK. Okay, so here, open it, the system restoration point dialog. If you click on next, for example, here I have this restore point. If let's say my computer currently has a problem and is malfunctioning, I could go to a previous date, which is this, when the computer was working well. Select it, click on next, then click on finish, and that will be done. For advanced users who want to delve into the Windows registry, regedit is the command you need. It opens the registry editor where you can make changes to the system registry database. Click on OK. So a dialog box comes up, click on yes. So this is the system registry, and here you can do a whole lot of configurations. If you need to manage your hardware devices, then the command devmgmt.msc is for you. It opens the device manager, offering a comprehensive view of all your hardware components and allowing you to update drivers or troubleshoot issues. So click on OK. If let's say, for example, I have problem with my audio, you just click here, click on this. You go to the particular, let's say microphone has a problem, the microphone driver, has a problem, you just click on it, right click. So you have these various options. You can update the driver, you can disable it, you can uninstall the device, scan for hardware changes, or click on properties. Now, to efficiently manage your hard drive and partitions, diskmgmt.msc is the command you need. It opens the disk manager console where you can create, format, resize, and manage your storage devices. So click on OK. So here we have this. On this particular computer, I have just one partition, which is drive C. If I go there and I right click, I have these options. I can open, explore, mark partition as active, change drive letter and paths. So I can string the volume. I can click on properties to show the properties. And also if I go here to this end here and I right click and click on properties, so I'm going to volume. You see the partition style is master boot record. So this is very important when, for example, you want to install a new operating system on this computer. You need to know the partition style, if it is master boot record or GPT. Now, if you are experiencing graphics or multimedia issues, then the command dxdr comes to the rescue. It launches the DirectX diagnostic tool, which provides information about your system's graphics and sound drivers. So click on OK. Okay, so you can see here you have all of this information about my computer. If you go here to display, currently there are two displays. I'm using an external screen, so I have two displays. You get all this information. Second display, sound and input. Now, if you want to tinker with system services, services.msc is a command for you. It opens the services management console, allowing you to start, stop, configure various services. So you click on OK. So we are in the service center. So if, let's say, you want to, for example, stop automatic update, you just scroll down. Okay, you go to where we have Windows automatic, we have Windows update. You double click on it. So here you can go here and click on disable, start and apply. That after doing that, is going to disable Windows automatic update. Let's talk about troubleshooting. taskmgr opens the task manager, a powerful tool for monitoring system performance, managing processes, and terminating responsive applications. So just click on OK. So if, let's say, they say a particular application you want to terminate and for some reason it is persisting, you just go here, identify the process, the application, and click on disable, and it will be closed automatically. If you're concerned about your security, then firewall.cpl is a command for you. It opens Windows firewall settings, allowing you to configure inbound and outbound rules for network traffic. So click on OK. Okay, so here we are in the system firewall. For example, if you click on turn off Windows Defender firewall on or off, you just click on that. Currently my firewall is on or Windows Defender is on. If I want to turn it off, I just click here, which is not recommended. Same here for public network, click here. When it's time to uninstall programs, the command appwiz.cpl is your friend. It launches the programs and features control panel, enabling you to remove unwanted applications from your system. So you click on OK. If, let's say, I want to uninstall Adobe Acrobat, I'll just select the application and click on uninstall. If you are looking to manage power option, then the command powercfg.cpl is the command you need. It opens the power options control panel where you can customize power plans, adjust screen brightness, and configure sleep settings. So click on OK. Okay, so we are in power options. There are a lot of things, configurations we can do here. For example, choose what the power buttons do. You click on the setting. So we have this. You click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Just click here. So by default, if you want to change it, for example, by default, most computers do not come with Hibernate in the power options. If I go here and click on power, you see we have just restart, shut down, and sleep. So if I want to add Hibernate, I just click on check the box, and there are other things I can do. When I press the power button, what do you want? You can change that here. You can change this, all of this. Then after doing so, just click on save changes. Have you ever wondered about your system version and build? The command winver has the answer. It displays detailed information about your Windows installation. Click on OK. So as you can see, it gives information about my operating system. Let's not forget about maintenance. Cleanmgr is the command you need. It launches a disk cleanup utility, which helps you free up disk space by removing unwanted files. So just click on OK. Okay, so it just went here straight because I have just one disk partition. If you have multiple disk partitions, it will give you the option to select a particular disk partition you want to clean. So it's very helpful when, let's say, your computer is running out of space and you want to clean or clear more or create more space. So you just scroll here and check these boxes. You can check. Then after doing so, you just click on clean up system files. The command event.vwr.msc opens the event viewer where you can view detailed logs and diagnose system, application, and security related events. So you click on OK. So under summary of administrative events, we have all of these. You can scroll here, and under log summary, you can scroll here to get all the logs and a whole lot more. Now, if you're interested in monitoring system performance, then the command perfmon is for you. It launches a performance monitor, allowing you to track resource usage, view real-time graphs, and create performance reports. So you click on OK. So we are now in performance monitor. So you can see all of this. Or if you want to get more details, you click on open resource monitor. Click here. So here you can get detailed view of your system performance. If you go here, we are under network. You can check CPU. You can go to memory. You can check disk. Last but not the least, gpmgmt.msc is a command to use for advanced system configuration options. It opens the group policy editor where you can modify various Windows settings and policies. Click on OK. So here we have this. We can go through it to modify some configuration settings.